I mean, I can just buy applicators. It's fine. Like I've just been lazy. I can just buy them off of Amazon locally here. I am a very, very lazy boy, and I have been very naughty. All right. I mean, while the boys are in here, if you're new, consider dropping a follow. We stream 3 days a week. We do builds on Tuesdays. We do memes on Fridays, and we yell at keyboards every Sunday. I don't think Paul has an ultrasonic. Also consider jumping into the Discord, and consider checking out my YouTube, exclamation Discord, etc., etc. Can't you just lube over the old lube? You technically can, but you shouldn't. You really shouldn't. Here we go. Oh yeah, look at all that. Oh yeah, H, you should come over this weekend so you can come take all of your springs. And lube doesn't mix well unless even if you boil it, you need a binding agent for it to like properly to like attach one lube to another lube. The F1 build is next week. I hope so if it comes in on time. If it doesn't, I'm going to be very sad and we'll build something else. H, can you bring his... He's already brought his gator on. We've already seen beautiful, beautiful Gatoron pictures. Let me show you. Wait, where is it? I guess I don't have them on my phone. Wait. Wait. Yeah, I don't have them on my phone. Why don't I have the cute Gatoron pictures on my phone? Feels fucking bad. What is the most weeb thing I've ever seen? I have no idea. Oh, exclamation weeb. God damn it, we literally have a command for it. Imagine having a command for a thing and just being an idiot. Well, can't be me. Alright. Bam. There we go. It doesn't ban you? No, but it puts you on a list, by the way. Simon, add a hot swap command? Nope. Navy and... Wait, beige and navy top color combo. Okay, what is this link from Omar? I'm scared. Oh god, don't give me a fucking link to a channel! You guys suck. What is my opinion on slow springs? I like them. I tried them, and I'm actually picking up some 55-gram slows. What is that tiny PP keyboard on the shelf behind you next to the lamp? This is a Mech Mini 2. I can show it to you. Ta-da! This was the first keyboard ever made by Heinebusch, or the first public. It has many, many RGB. And it has Bobox whites in it. Simon check general. Is it the Gatoron picture? I don't... I'm in general. There's nothing here. There's nothing here. Why is there nothing here? What? I mean, I see the Juby thing. Am I supposed to... Is that the thing? Is it the Juby thing? Okay, it's the Juby thing. You can fucking just say that in chat, you cucks. Yeah, whatever. Vickery is stupid. We should never, ever, ever do Vickery. If you do Vickery, you deserve it. That's it. Worst hyped group buy of the year. All of them. All right. Okay, I saw that. I don't know what you're linking to. You guys suck at fucking linking. I hate you all. I hate you all. You guys all suck. Okay, here, we can look at it together, okay? I press this, it takes me to this that I've already seen. What is it taking me to? What on the screen do I care about? Yes, keep linking me to the channel, you fucking assholes. You know what? Fuck it, we're gonna go raid someone. Look, they're still pinging me. They're literally still pinging me. Why are you pinging me? God damn it. Yes, I saw it. It's literally open. You guys. All right, is anybody streaming? Nobody's streaming. Of course, why would anybody stream? Simon, you like my profile pic? I love it. It's my favorite. All right, is any man doing keyboard or women? Is this furry shit? It's furry shit. Why is it always furry shit? Dixie, keep me safe, Dixie. Raid furry shit? Nope. Hello, what's up? You came very late to the stream. We are trying to find somebody. Go back. There was one. Okay, let's go one by one because okay, that's me. This is furry shit. Oh my god, it's a keyboard. Do we raid this person? Do we? Oh, he's in just chatting. Who the fuck is in just chatting? Like I go in just chatting if I'm just chatting, but like if I'm building a keyboard, is he nice or not? Let's find out. Let's find out. Why is it silent? Let's find out. He lubes with a brush. That's kind of sus. But he does have a Rama M6, and I have an M6. Show us your eggplant. Can you use Twitch chat on the Apple TV? All right, you know what? We're gonna raid this lad. Fuck it. We're gonna raid. Raid message, simple. Okay? ISO. ISO. Uses text only mods, don't raid. You asshole. We're gonna raid the shit out of him. I'll catch you guys on Friday. Okay? We're not there yet. Everybody just chill out. Chill out. Bye-bye, boys. I love you. I love you all. Except for Dodo. I'll see you guys soon. Real soon.